Hello, I'm Stan Williams, and this is the book we've just published, Basic Christianity: Facts, Evidences, and Reasons. It's a remarkable series of lectures delivered by Dr. Stan Walters, an archaeological and ancient language scholar from Yale. As the title suggests, this is not a book of doctrine, theology, or confessional beliefs, but rather of factual history, archaeological evidences, and logical reasons that explain why Christianity is the most authentic and rational of any religious faith at any time in history and at any place on earth, and is accessible for Christians of any faith tradition or by non-Christians who want to study the historical and logical basis for the Christian faith. At the time the lectures were delivered and recorded, Walters was an evangelical Protestant, but he was well versed in orthodoxy, the truth of Catholicism, the cults, and the tenets of other world and historic religions. And the book was edited and heavily footnoted by a good Catholic apologist we know. So it's doctrinally neutral, but heavy on facts and logic, and suitable for adults and mature high school students. Now, the value of this course is probably best stated by those that took the course from Dr. Walters. Pam and I did, and it changed our lives. And editing this book, going over and over the copy, has only reinforced our belief in the unique and great apologetic value this book provides Christians and the wider culture at any level. This book of lectures is well illustrated in color, with over 50 archaeological photographs, 33 Johnny Hart BC Christian comics, and over 80 graphic sidebars. There is also an extensive bibliography and a large alphabetical index. At 374 pages, this nearly 9-inch square hardback book weighs in at just over 2.5 pounds. You could say it's heavy reading. Finally, as Bishop Barron is fond of saying, we're evangelizing with beauty that leads to the good and what is true.